Hi folks, I'm Kevin Dundon from Dunbrody House in Ireland's ancient East. I'd like to invite you to my kitchen to share some of my favourite recipes to give you a taste of Ireland. So welcome to my kitchen here in Dunbrody House, and today we're actually going to show you something that's really dear to our hearts here in Ireland, and that's our brown soda bread. It's very simple to make, but really the rewards are amazing on it. Okay, so you get yourself a bowl and you get some wholemeal flour and pour that in. We've got some porridge oats in here, so put in nearly all of them in there, and some plain flour. And what I always recommend people to do is to kind of get all your dry goods together in the bowl the night before you go to bed. So when you get up in the morning, you just have to mix in your egg and your buttermilk into it, and then you've got bread in the oven within 5 minutes of getting out of the bed. And just a touch of salt in there. And then we have some bread soda, and I always, just a teaspoon of bread soda. I always sieve my bread soda just to make sure that you get an even source of bread soda through your mix. Okay, and at that stage you just want to kind of mix all those together. Okay, and then we're going to add in 1 egg. Okay, and with Irish soda bread, it's all about the consistency. Okay, so you're going to see this. I'm using buttermilk. Now, if you can't get buttermilk, if you use plain yogurt, which would work perfectly as well. So you're going to mix that together, and what you want to end up with is kind of like a sloppy mixture, quite a wet mixture. Okay, so you can see the consistency of that. It's quite sticky, I guess. It's probably the best way to describe it. We have our loaf tin then. Okay, we're going to do a loaf, and all I've done is I've just greased the inside of that loaf tin and just kind of dust our inside the tin with a bit of flour on top. You got your mixture then, and it's going to go into our loaf tin like so. Push that down. Okay, and then I always get a little bit of oats and just sprinkle those on top like so. And they're just your regular oats that you would use for porridge in the morning. So, and that's going to go into the oven. It actually cooks in the oven for an hour. Okay, so you can put 3/4 of the way through, so about 3/4 of the hour into the cooking. I take it out and I take out the loaf and turn it upside down. And what you do is you get this lovely even crust, okay, which I'll show you now. See, that's turned out like that. And you can hear this lovely hollow sound in the bottom of the bread. And you can see that the crust is a lovely even brownness all the way around. So when you look at it here, you just get that. I'm just going to slice that down. There you can see the inside of that bread. Beautiful Irish soda bread. And really, when you try this at home, that is the true taste of Ireland.